Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily delete your friend in Honor of Kings. To delete or remove a friend in Honor of Kings, launch open the game on your device first. From the main screen, tap on the Friends tab on the right hand corner. Here you will be able to see all of your friends under the Online Friends tab. Select your friend you want to remove from the friend list. In the pop-up, click on the home icon and this will open up their profile. Now, click on the trash can icon at the bottom right corner and then click on confirm to delete or remove the friend, and your friend will now be removed from your friend list. And that's it. Your friend has been removed. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy mobile gaming tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.